Hey everyone, thanks so much for clicking this video. My name is Jeremy Alexander Newsom. This is my really good friend from Nashville, Sean Bennett. We're both real life traders, and I just want to say thanks for watching this video. Hope it means a lot to you. I've had an absolute pleasure and honor of working with my friend Sean here. Just a few months into real life trading, he's learning a lot. Sean, what do you have to say for the people watching this video?
Well, Jeremy gave me this really long script, and it pretty much amounts to real life trading works. Go watch all the videos.
That pretty much sums it up. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe, like our Facebook page. If you have any questions, email me anytime, jeremy@reallifetrading.com. You guys rock. Thanks for that intro, past Jeremy and Sean Bennett. This is Jeremy Alexander Newsom, present tense, and hope you're doing absolutely fantastic. I had an interesting email the other day from a brand new real life trader. His name is Grant, and let me read his email almost verbatim, pretty much word for word. He's like, "Hey man, it's me again. Been going through your content like crazy. Can't get enough of it. Appreciate what you're doing. I was talking out at a dinner last night and promoting real life trading, of course, and someone said something to me that I've been pondering. The subject of day trading and swing trading, saying that it doesn't bring value to anyone. What are your thoughts on that?" I think that's an amazing question, honestly. It really, really is. And at the heart of that question, I'm just going to want to reach out to your friend who asked that question, simply said, it seems to me like the person asking that probably has lost money trading and is just upset at the whole system, if you will, the quote-unquote system. And that's not a bad feeling to be upset from losing money. I mean, that is at the whole root of what people invest. They want to make some money, and if they lose money, they get a little bit upset at it, and I understand that feeling. So here's my thoughts on the value adding. And let me focus specifically at the moment for day trading. In the world of trading, ladies and gentlemen, day trading, I will agree, does not offer any value to the company that you are trading. So for example, if you're buying shares of FedEx, FedEx isn't necessarily receiving that money long term and doing anything with it. So there's obviously no value being added when you're buying shares of FedEx on a day trade level, right? You're buying it and then selling it. The value from trading really comes in an intrinsically broad perspective. So think about it this way. Traders who actively trade, day trading and swing trading, they literally make the market. They help, well, they don't literally make the market. They help create the market. They create liquidity. Without day traders and swing traders, as day trading and swing trading has become much, much more popular since 2000, 2001, with the onset of higher speed internet, the markets really obviously were volatile a long, long time ago, but the volatility from years past is really just totally unsurpassed from what we're currently experiencing, what we're going to continue to experience in the future, because we have more and more participants trading at higher and higher, faster rates and faster frequencies. So day trading provides liquidity. There are constantly people buying and selling particular equities and shares and stocks of companies, moving the markets, being able to have the demand increase or the supply increase or the supply decrease or the demand decrease. So there are constantly traders who are in and out making the markets move, if you will, being there ready to buy, ready to sell. So the market makers are driving up the price to find buyers and find sellers. So first of all, some of the value that is created is simply day traders and active swing traders, they are making the markets. They are providing liquidity to the markets. The more players, the more participants, the more people that are interested in trading, the easier it is to get in and get out of those positions potentially. Secondly, and again, from a broader intrinsic perspective of value add, just think about all of the companies out there that have literally created careers and companies based on traders. You might be like, where's this guy? What was this guy talking about? Charles Schwab, E-Trade, Thinkorswim, TD Ameritrade, me, Real Life Trading. You have tons, I mean, truly thousands of companies out there that profit or gain experience or employees or make money from the markets themselves. So for example, all the commissions, all right, day traders, every time you get in and get out of a trade, they are charged commissions. So they will pay commissions to a company like Interactive Brokers or E-Trade or Scottrade. Those companies make money from the commissions, providing you a route to the markets. That's one, right? So all those commissions, that's a big deal. So your active traders are literally creating jobs. So that's a value add. Now, I know that might be like, that's a really kind of a far stretch, but it's truly not if you think about it. I mean, that's active trading. That's what active trading is. Active trading is always in the markets, and we are providing liquidity. We're providing jobs, as wild as that might sound. I asked a few other traders out there their kind of their opinion on it as well. When we were in the trading room, and in the all essence of trading, it allows traders, or as I like to call them, real life traders. It allows traders or people to be able to express themselves in ways that they may not be able to before. So in the markets, you have the opportunity to immediately do things that you might not have access to before. What I mean by that is you can go to your job, you can work 9 to 5, you can get paid hourly. You know what you're going to get per hour, and you know what you're going to make at the end of the week. Trading adds so much variety. It adds so much excitement. It adds so much opportunities for people who really want to devote themselves, devote the days, the hours, the weeks, the months, the years of learning how to trade the market so that they can provide financial freedom to themselves. I was interviewing and talking with another trader recently, and I loved his honesty, and I loved his outlook and his approach on trading. And I'll go ahead and say it for you guys now. Trading, the traders that I know, sure, there are absolutely traders out there who have made millions of dollars or billions of dollars trading, but they're very few and far in between. The traders who have made billions of dollars usually have companies, right? Warren Buffett hasn't made his billions strictly from trading. Warren Buffett is a genius businessman. So he has made money from business, investing and buying in businesses, growing businesses, flipping businesses, right? Buying them low, selling them high, buying the shares of the business. Paul Tudor Jones, hedge fund, operating and trading in business as well. Jesse Livermore, Alexander Graham. I mean, you have many. We're just going through all a list of traders here. The traders who have made millions of dollars, absolutely, they are there. They are there. But the ones that I'm after, or the ones that I like to teach, are the traders who, you know what, maybe they just need a new refrigerator. And they trade for a month and they make that $2,000 and they go buy the really nice fridge. Or maybe they want to redo their floors and they get hardwood floors in their house rather than the carpet. Or maybe they want to pay off a credit card debt or a student loan. The truth of the matter is, the value that is created in the markets is whatever value you attribute to the markets, whatever position you are in, because market makers make money in the markets. You have analysts on TV who make money from the markets. You have the commissions that help the brokers make money from the markets. So there's a lot of value in the markets. And granted, it might not be directly to the companies when you're day trading, but when they IPO and they get their initial public offering, they too receive money. So, for example, let's just go back to FedEx. When FedEx IPOs, they get, millions, if not billions of dollars from the sale of their shares to the public. And they're now creating jobs. So it's a really, really big perspective out there of what the market and what kind of value the market adds. And I can agree, and I get the standpoint from your friend or from whoever your acquaintance was. You mentioned the term that they may have been bitter. The simple matter is, the markets are hard to trade because they are organic. They are a life breathing, real life living thing. They're there. They're always moving. They're always constantly changing and shifting. And that's why some personalities have a difficult time trading the markets. If you're an engineer, you're going to have a difficult time trading the markets because you want an exact, specific, certain scientific answer as to why it's going to happen. You want the key. You want the yes. I'm going to do this all the time, every single time. This is how it works. This is how it is. The markets are not like that. And I'll give you the quickest example as I can. That's like asking or being able to program a human to do the same thing every single time. If you're in a relationship, for example, and you say, I'm going to say this phrase to this person will feel this way all the time. If it's your spouse or maybe even your children, you expect them to react the exact same way all the time or do the same thing all the time. You can't program a human to do something all the time because we have innumerable variables that are always shifting and changing within ourselves, just like the markets are always changing and always shifting. So there are some personalities that do have to overcome that and battle that even more than most. My overall thought process regarding that, though, is if anyone really, truly puts their mind to trading, it's just like anything else. Consistency wins over time. If you are disciplined and you can continue to measure yourself, you can continue to improve, you find out what you've been doing wrong, Make very, very small tweaks time and time again, always growing, always improving, always asking yourself, how can I be better? Finding the traders that you want to emulate, asking them, hey, how did you make that $100,000 last year? Or how did you pay off your credit card debt? Or how did you buy that house? Or how did you trade that trade? Or how did you meet that person? Or, whatever it is, how did you start that business? If you want to do something, find someone who is doing it or who has done it and ask them as many questions as possible, and don't give up until you reach your goal. I know that's a long answer to that question, but that's my answer. Hopefully it was helpful. If you have any questions, of course, traders, at any time, feel free to email me, Jerremy at reallifetrading.com. Of course, a lot of you out there have this exact similar question. I mean, this is a question, how does active trading provide value to anyone? I think it's a very truthful, honest, deep down, vulnerable question. I think it's a very good question. That's why I want to take the time to make a video for everyone. So thanks so much for watching, everyone. You're absolutely fantastic. Have an amazing rest of your day, night, week, year, month, and, month comes before year, but you guys know what I mean. You rock. I'll see you later, and until next time, love life, live life, and trade it. See ya.